Subscribe. Add 1 glass water. Boil it. Add crushed cardamom. Add 1 kilogram sugar. Stir it until dissolved. Add orange food color. Stir it until it gets thickened. Ready. Flame off. Add 4 glass water. Add 1 kilogram raw mango curry. Cooked it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Strain it. Now add prepared mixture. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add chopped almonds badam. Rest it for 3 hours in refrigerator. Ready. Let's dish out. Subscribe. Hope you like it.